This 2018 Dutchmen Aspen Trail 2710BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Wharton, Texas, 77488 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Houston. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8 and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.